Alright, it's the next day. I moved the plant. Oh yeah, you can see there are some things growing out of it. I don't know if they're growing out of where I cut it, but the green part is definitely still alive, so we're gonna put this indoors for now and see if it keeps growing and maybe actually get some out of it. But we're gonna finish off the planting today. Hopefully we'll at least get some more stuff, papayas, bananas and stuff, and then we'll finish it off with some pineapples from the store. Alright, we're back here at our final destination, H&H's Farms, just to finish up the remaining plants. I just found a coffee plant, so we're gonna get this instead of the Suriname cherry. I couldn't find Suriname either. Alright, so I'm glad I found this because I didn't really want a Suriname cherry. I was hoping for some more coffee. And this is a nice grape. This is an edible version right here. So we got 2 steer manures and 2 potting soils, and we're gonna try and look for some fertilizers over there. Alright, we got all our stuff in and the 2 plants. Now we're gonna go pick up some food for the chickens. Got our chicken food right here. Man, it looks like there's a jungle in the car. Alright, so we got the steer manure and potting soil in, and we're just gonna plant these coffee first. And something crazy, this coffee plant costs $38, and this coffee plant costs $30. Spotted out of the corner of my eye in H&H Farms, so you know, prices vary. We got our new grape in and our new coffee plant. This place is really starting to fill up with tropical trees and fruits. So also right over here we're digging up 2 banana shoots, and we're gonna go to someone's house and trade those for some other, and we're gonna trade them for a new variety of bananas, which we're gonna put over there. They're the thinner and taller kinds, which will be good because we're putting them in a small area to get some banana plants, so we're gonna trade for the ones we have. Wow, got some dragon fruits here, some bananas. Looks like a guava right here. Oh, we got a huge banana right there. Looks like some corn.
1 or 2?
You could get 2. Lots of fruit trees over here. Logan. Citrus there, papayas, lots of stuff. Pomegranate right here. I think they have a pond underneath there. Avocado. Yeah, Asian people have everything. But we got some blooms on this dragon fruit already right there. But anyways, yeah, the bananas are huge. So our banana, it has a more bananas, but they're smaller. On this kind, they're larger, and that's the kind I like more, so we're gonna get some. We got 1 banana right here and another one right here. So these things will be a lot larger, taller it looks like, thinner though, and we don't have too much space, so that's good. Alright, we got our bananas back home. We couldn't get any papayas, but I mean, papayas grow really fast, so I think we're gonna just do a seed right here. And it'll be small that way. We don't want it to be too big. The grape needs some sun so that it can start climbing on there. But yeah, I think we're pretty much done with all the plants that are going into here. The rest we'll just probably get a bunch of pineapple heads and root those, because like we need something in between here. But that's just gonna be a small little ground cover plant. I don't know if we're gonna get much of a harvest out of it or anything. But we'll probably put 1 there, one there, one here. I don't think we can fit any over there, and maybe one over here. But that'll be it for our Centropic farm. Alright, well, everything is now in. Pretty much the whole farm is done. All we need is papaya there and some pineapples there. But all that we're not going to pay anything for besides the price of the fruit. So yeah, we're going to try and put small papaya there. We're going to grow it from seed. Apparently that's really easy. So yeah, shouldn't be too hard. It takes only about 6 to 10 months for the fruit to come from seed too. And then right here we'll put one of the pineapples. I think we can squeeze in one there and one there, but probably not anywhere else. And I'm glad I was able to put this coffee plant here because, I mean, there's a pretty big space in between this tree and that tree, and you couldn't put a whole tree there, but a small like coffee bush like this is a great addition, and it'll make use of the shade. The main reason that we wanted banana over here, and we're really changing the plan, but starfruit was supposed to go here, but banana's better. It'll give good shade for this right here, and this variety, it grows pretty much straight up, and it's a thinner variety than that one, so it shouldn't take up too much space. Anyways, pretty much most of the trees are already in, and we're just gonna keep working on them. I've already been trimming off the burn on the or rot on the edges of those leaves there. Not sure if that'll work, just experimenting. So all that's really left is to get those remaining plants in, but most of the top priority stuff is already in. So while the next thing we're gonna do is try and get a screen over this, just like the black tarp that is holding up this passion fruit here, because a lot of these are young and a direct sun won't do too well on them, especially since they were like this in the nursery. They can grow with without the screen over, but I kind of want to work on a greenhouse getting started in here, since we'll be needing that during winter. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.